minor changes in the itinerary. We have arrived in Gibraltar, which we're only here for today, and we leave tonight to the Canary Islands. So I'm gonna spend as much time I can here before I leave tonight. Cable car, and now I am on the top of the hill on the rock in Gibraltar. After a fun day of walking around a city, I am now heading back to the boat where I will spend the next few days on there, and I will be on my way to the Canary Islands. So see you later. So here I am today at the Canary Islands, continuing with this video. I know I did Gibraltar and now I'm doing the Canary Islands, but I decided to combine these two videos so that way it may be easier, because we only spent a day in Gibraltar and only one night in the Canary Islands. So I hope you enjoy what I have done for Canary Islands for the next 36 hours. Beach at the Canary Islands, and it's so beautiful. So we are at an aquarium, and now we will venture to this one because this one's really big.